don't know. I was always hungry in college. Hello, my collegiate youths. So I know that if you are a student around this time of the year, you're probably headed back to school, moving back to your dorms, getting your schedules straight, and everything is just uber stressful. The one thing that I didn't want you all to stress out about was what you're gonna be eating. So I've devised 3 really quick, really easy, and really good recipes for you guys, which I think are the requirements to getting a college student to cook. And if you guys didn't see my air fryer recipe from last time, you should. But long story short, I think that an air fryer is really best for students in dormitories because it's light, you can bring it to your friend's house, you can bring it to different kitchens. It's really like a nice alternative to your microwave, which really only heats things up but doesn't get anything nice and crispy. The first one is a super easy, freshly baked cheesy pizza. You can put any toppings that you want. You guys don't need to order out, save your parents some money, and you can also make the pizza a lot healthier if you guys make it yourselves. So the second recipe is nacho kimchi chili fries. I feel like an infomercial, but what's more? We have more. Fries are amazing in the air fryer. We're gonna top it off with some ooey gooey mochi nacho cheese along with some tangy and spicy kimchi. And it's like kimchi and fries, they go amazingly well together. We're gonna end it off with dessert, and who doesn't want some ooey gooey fudgy freshly baked brownies at like 3 a.m. in the morning? Not gonna ask, don't tell me why. anyways, guys, I hope you all enjoyed those recipes. If you happen to be a college student and you want to see more recipes, like more quick and easy recipes, definitely message me and comment down below, and maybe we can have like a little cooking 101 right here on the channel. Alrighty, I will see you guys again next time. Bye.